Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix something went wrong. Please check your network connection on Cash App. So guys, let's start about wasting any time. When you try to open Cash App and it's showing that something went wrong, please check your network connection. Then it means you're not properly connected with internet. For that you have to close this page. After that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds. Then force close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to do this and just simply have to put your password again. Now after that guys, you have to open the settings again, then turn off your aeroplane mode. Okay guys, just simply have to turn this off. Once you have done this guys, after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if once again guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to scroll it down, just simply have to tap on general. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that your date and time is correct, and also make sure that you're not connected with VPN. Then you have to go to transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the setting, just simply have to tap on general, then go to iPhone store. From here guys, locate for the Cash App and just simply have to offload the Cash App. Tap on Cash App. From here you have to offload the app and then reinstall it and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to turn off your device at least for the 30 or 40 seconds, then turn it on again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.